all of the external pieces are made of metal, heavy, thick kind of gauge. I'm sure it's like aluminum.
Mm-hmm.
And it's composed of 8 pieces, the hilt, not including the blade. So there's the little crystal inside the core housing, and the core housing is plastic because it's lightweight and easy to work with. The core housing is going to contain all the electronics needed to make the whole thing work, to connect to the LEDs in the blade, and also it contains the speaker, and it contains the area for batteries, and then it's a place where you insert the crystal. What you connect to the crystal, to the housing, is the switch plate. The switch plate's in 2 pieces. Then you have the handles that go above and below the switch plate. You have an emitter on the blade end, and then a pommel or an end cap on the opposite end. The handle pieces, for their positioning, whether above the switch plate or below, that's interchangeable.